materials. To make a fire alarm, we need foam board, buzzer, internal part of tube light starter, 9-volt battery, 9-volt battery connector, rocker switch, a small window from toy collection, and a Fevikwik. Now get ready to make a fire alarm. Now I am going to show you the circuit diagram of fire alarm for your convenience. This is buzzer, internal part of tube light starter, battery connector and switch. Now connect the black wire of buzzer and black wire of battery connector to the starter and the red wire of buzzer and red wire of battery connector to the switch, and your circuit of fire alarm will be complete. And the fire alarm is ready. Now let's check whether it's working or not. Now we are gonna heat the inner part of tube light starter. As soon as it gets heated, the buzzer will start beeping. See? On, off, on, off. Wow! And the fire alarm is successfully completed. But just take a little bit precaution while heating the inner part of tube light starter. So, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.